Okay, let's take a walk around Blue Rock Lake, the walking track. This walking track is situated near the town of Willow Grove, which is about a 20-minute drive north of the Princes Highway. Always a bit edgy when there's a sign warning of snakes, but it's probably a fair call. Pretty dry time of year, start of summer in Victoria. Snakes are all over the place. But we're under a nice canopy of green at the moment in the shade. It's late in the afternoon and pretty pleasant, about 27 degrees. Let's enjoy the walk. One of the joys of living in Gippsland is that you are pretty much an hour from the surf, from the snow, and there are beautiful natural walkways all over the place, plenty of hiking tracks, rail trails, etc. So let's see how the Blue Rock Lake walk looks. So whilst I've been walking, come across rosellas, cockatoos. Out in the water there's some speedboats. It's a very nice area just to get out and about and into the fresh air. In the distance you can see the parklands. Very popular area for people at Latrobe Valley to come down. They've got barbecue facilities, playgrounds for the kids, a boat launch as well. So this water area in summer is very popular for fishermen, for people on boats, and also just young families want to come down and have a bit of a paddle and sit on the green banks of the lake. Very nice indeed. We're now leaving Blue Rock Lake and heading on a walking track due south back towards the Willow Grove Hill End Road. It's part of the circular walk. It starts at Willow Grove, goes around the lake perimeter, through the grassed playground area and back to town. Different dry countryside, but charming nevertheless. Okay, we're now walking along the Willow Grove Hill End Road. Well, effectively the footpath that runs parallel to it. Got the local cattle taking it easy. And again, this whole walk is a nice smooth gradient. You haven't got much of it that's near the highway, or near the road rather. It's a pretty peaceful kind of walk along this particular section of Gippsland.
Willow Grove is a small rural town located in the foothills of the Baw Baw region of Victoria. Willow Grove Primary School is a small rural school catering for approximately 80 students from foundation to grade 6. The picturesque Willow Grove Recreation Reserve is home to the Willow Grove Tennis Club, the Willow Grove Cricket Club, and the Hill End and Grove Rovers Football Netball Club.
Okay, we've reached the last leg of the road, which is Blue Rock Road. Heading back to where we started, running north, down the side of the sport recreation footy ground. You can complete this walk in about 30 to 40 minutes, and it really is quite picturesque. Today's a beautiful day, so I'm getting the best of all possibilities, but with Blue Rock Lake in the background, the baubles behind that, and the township of Willow Grove. It's a nice way to spend the afternoon.